Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious beef fry. We'll start by gathering our main ingredients. You'll need about 1 pound of beef, cut into 1-inch cubes. Also, prepare 2 large onions, 3 green chilies, and a 2-inch piece of ginger. Don't forget 1 tablespoon of chili powder and 1 teaspoon of turmeric for that authentic flavor. This initial preparation is key to a flavorful dish. Next, let's get the beef ready. Marinate your beef cubes with 1 teaspoon of turmeric, 1 tablespoon of chili powder, and a pinch of salt. Let it sit for about 15 minutes to absorb the flavors. Then, pressure cook the marinated beef with 1 cup of water for approximately 5 whistles. This step ensures the beef becomes wonderfully tender, but be careful not to overcook it, as we want it to hold its shape for the final fry. Now let's prepare our aromatic base. Heat about 2 tablespoons of coconut oil in a large, heavy-bottomed pan. Once hot, add your sliced onions, ginger, garlic, and green chilies. Sauté these until they turn a beautiful golden brown, which usually takes about 8 to 10 minutes. Finally, toss in some fresh curry leaves and 1 teaspoon of garam masala to infuse the oil with an incredible aroma and depth of flavor. For the grand finale, add your tender, pressure-cooked beef to the pan with the sautéed aromatics. Mix everything thoroughly, ensuring the beef is well coated with the flavorful masala. Continue to fry on medium heat for about 10 to 15 minutes, stirring occasionally until the beef cubes are nicely browned and slightly crispy. Garnish with fresh coriander leaves, and your delicious beef fry is ready to be served hot. Enjoy this wonderful dish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.